Starting a YouTube channel in 2024 is a great idea. It's a great platform to share your ideas and connect with a large audience. However, it's important to start early and be patient. It takes time to grow a successful YouTube channel. Here are a few tips for getting started. Find a niche. What are you passionate about? What do you know a lot about? Once you've found your niche, you can start creating content that your target audience will love. Create high-quality content. This means making videos that are well-produced, informative, and entertaining. Promote your channel. Share your videos on social media, other websites, and forums. Be patient. It takes time to grow a successful YouTube channel. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. With hard work and dedication, you can grow a successful YouTube channel in 2024.